Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Mr. Bobbin here if you didn't already know. But before we get into the video, let us address the elephant in the room, which is me. Yes, I changed my hair. I wanted black. Me and my sisters, we all went black, and then I wanted to try straight because I haven't had straight in a little minute, so I decided to get straight. I kept the bangs, of course, because it's bangs, but I did get black and straight. I'm still trying to get used to it myself. It is a little different than what I'm used to. I'm so used to like the big hair, and this is so like me, but we're working with it. Pose. Okay, so as you can tell from the title, this is going to be yet another yarn haul video. So I bought yarn. When did I buy it? Like a couple days ago from Hobbii. This is my first time purchasing yarn from Hobbii, and it actually came really fast. I was surprised that it came this fast because I just ordered it a few days ago, so that was crazy, but love it. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I got instead of like trying to talk about it. I'm just gonna show you guys, and let's go. So I actually don't even know how much yarn I got. I totally forgot, but this is the bag. Crazy, right? I know. So let's open it and see what I got. This is so much yarn. Okay. Don't need this anymore. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Jeez. Then it came with a piece of candy and shawl pins. I don't even use that, but thank you. Okay, so this is all the yarn. I got green, blue, yellow. I don't even know what color this is. And this color. So let's open each individual color and see all the details and what hook I'll need and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna open the blue one. Maybe I did need that still. I did not even realize I bought this much yarn, like overkill. Okay, so this is how it looks. I hope you guys can see that really good. Let me hide myself. And this is how, I'm gonna try and hide myself. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is Snowstorm 100% wool. And the color is 28, great. And the recommended hook size for a crochet hook, of course, is an 8mm hook. Looking at this, like from just looking at it, doesn't seem like I would need a 8mm hook, but we'll see. But this is how it looks. It's so pretty and actually feels really good. It really does. And I feel like when I start crocheting, it's gonna get a little poofier too, which is really nice. And I forgot to say that this is 50 grams, each 1.75 ounces, and 54 yards. So that's why I got 10 of each color. Oh yeah, I got 10 of each color because it doesn't come with a lot. And I'm probably gonna make a chunky cardigan with this yarn. So I got a lot because a cardigan needs a lot of yarn. So this is the blue, and I'm gonna open the yellow one next. Ooh, yellow. this brand doesn't have like actual colors. Like the color is named 22, and that one was like color 28. So I'm just gonna go with mustard yellow. So this color is so pretty. Like, look at it. It's so nice, and everything is the same. It's 50 grams in each ball, but this is really nice. Like, oh, I can't wait to make a cardigan with this. It's gonna be so pretty, but of course that's for another video, like later on, because I have so many lined up now. So honestly, you probably won't see this cardigan until later in a month. So this is the yellow one so far, and I have no idea what color this is, but this is another blue, I guess. Like, this is the first blue and this is this blue. It kind of looks the same in a viewfinder. I don't know if it'll be different when I export this video, but they kind of look similar. But this one is definitely darker. This one is definitely darker than this one, but again, beautiful color. It's soft and light, and it looks like this. Oh, it's getting my face. It looks like this. So nice. So that's another color. And then I got this purple. That knife was really close to my face. But then I got this purple. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's like a lilac color. This is me trying to hide behind it so you guys can see. Such a pretty lilac color. And I've never used wool before, so this will be my first time ever using 100% wool. Oh, and it matches me, kind of. Anyway, so lilac. And then the last one is this green color. Look at it right there. Green. Now this looks like a nice forest green, I think. Yes, that's how it looks. Ooh, it's so nice. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. Like, it feels so good. So now that I showed you guys all the colors I got, which are these, now I'm going to do some swatches. And the recommended hook size is 8mm, but I have with me a 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to try all of these hooks to see which one I feel the most comfortable with, because every time yarn recommends a certain hook size, I almost never use the recommended one. So I'm going to see which one I feel most comfortable with, and I'll show you guys when I do my swatches. So I'm going to start off with a 5mm, and I'm going to use this pretty lilac color. I'm going to rip it. Oh god, I ripped it. And I'm going to do a quick swatch. I'm going to do a quick swatch with it. Okay, so now I finished my swatch, and that's how the swatch looks. And honestly, I don't know what my thoughts are exactly, because I don't even know how this yarn is supposed to come out, but it looks good to me. And the way I felt with the 5mm was nice, but I do feel like I should move up a little bit. But if you want tight stitches, like I always like, a 5mm starting from a 5 would be perfect if you want like nice tight stitches with this yarn. And I like it, so I'm gonna go up to a 6mm with a different color and see how I like that compared to this one. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm going to try it with this blue. So 6mm, and let's get it. Okay, so I finished the 6mm swatch, and this is how it turned out. Beautiful. I definitely felt a lot better using my 6 than my 5. It was way smoother, and I don't know, it was like seamless. I didn't seem like I was trying to fit my hook into each stitch. It was perfect. So I'm not even gonna do swatches with my other 7 and 8, wherever it went. 7 and 8. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. But that's for another video. Anyway. But yeah, so, oh my god. So I'm not even gonna go in with my 7 and 8. I will definitely stick to doing a 6 for this Snowstorm yarn. And I forgot to say that I did for these swatches, I did half double crochet and 2 rows of each. I think I did 2 rows of this one. Yeah, I did. I just didn't do it as long. So my 2 swatches, let me see if I can make it so you guys can see it. Those are the 2 swatches I did, and all in all, I really love this yarn, but I would say I feel like it's going to be a little scratchy, but I think that's just wool in general. But all in all, I don't care. If I gotta scratch a little itch, that's fine, as long as I'm wet and cute. So I know this is gonna come out amazing because these swatches are chef's kiss, and I can't wait to do with this cardigan. Like, so here's what I'm thinking for the cardigan. Vibe with me real quick. So I have all these colors, right? I just pulled out one. Okay, hold on. So I have all these colors plus this one. So this is what I'm working with, right? So for the cardigan, I'm going to make, like, you know, there's 2 front panels. So one will be a certain color, the other one will be another color. For the sleeves, the ribbing will be a different color from the sleeve in general, and the same on that side, different color ribbing and different color sleeve, and then the back will be a different color too. And I think I have enough colors to do, like, switch them out, but that's what I'm thinking. I think that's gonna be really cute and colorful because, hello, it is summer, so that's gonna be a cute summer cardigan, I guess. Like, who wears cardigans in the summer? But anyway, I think that's gonna be so cute, and I can't wait to do that, even though I'm already doing stuff right now. So that definitely will be a later project because I have a lot I'm working on right now. So I have to get those out before I even start another project, especially something I'm so excited to do. Well, I'm always excited for. Anyway, this is besides the point. I'm talking too much, and that is the end of this video. Okay, so I already said my outro and everything, but off camera I just randomly decided to use the recommended hook size, the 8mm, and do a swatch. And let me show you guys this freaking beauty. Maybe they do know what they're talking about with the recommended hook size, because this right here is it. I might have to do the 8mm. The way this is looking, I might have to do this. Guys. But again, I'll keep you guys updated in whatever video I do this cardigan with. So now it's time to cue that outro. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Why am I talking about my hand so much? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. Bye. Oh, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.